Hello Songbird! Kerri Ho from the Songbird where we get grounded, take flight and sing! And today we are at day 12 of 21 days to your new voice. How exciting is that? We're going to get right in with an exercise called whoop whoop whoop. Okay, this is an awesome exercise that is going to increase your range. It's also going to develop your mixed voice. And it's also going to develop you to go all the way through to your whistle tones when you're ready for that. So let's go. So the first thing is, I need you to actually say for me, whoop, as if, no actually, not whoop like that, but whoops. So kind of like, oh no, I've spilled coffee all over myself, oops, you know, or oops, I just bumped into someone, or whatever, right? Like you've done something kind of silly or whatever, and you're saying whoops, yeah? So just say it with me, whoops, 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 get a bit higher, whoops, 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 okay? Now we're going to do the exercise. So, it goes like this, whoop, 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 okay? And it's really, really bouncy, and it's also not very sung. So you're not trying to make it sound really pretty, like, you know, you're not going whoop, 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 you know, you're going whoop, 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 whoop. It's fast, it's bouncy, it's spoken, yeah, okay? So that's what actually helps you to mix the tone, because it's actually using your speaking voice, but you're going to go pretty high, so you're going to actually also use your head voice, and together they will become a mix. But it's all about speaking it out and just really letting it bounce out, okay? If you try too hard to sing it, it's going to feel strained. If you actually speak it out really quickly and just let it bounce out, it's going to be super easy. It's going to help you go, you know, really high through your range, and you're really going to develop, yeah, just some great space at the back of your throat in order to be able to get those high notes. So let's do a few together. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Supposed to sound like, it is your turn. So here we go. Girls here, guys here, let's do it. Ready, and that's it, nice and bounced. That's it, just speak it out. Speak it like you made a mistake. Good. Nice and bounced. Throw it out there. That's it, just lightly. So like I said, there's so many applications to this one particular exercise. So this little bite size that I've just given you is going to help you develop so many good habits for so many different parts of your voice. Mixed voice, whistle tones, high notes, yeah, flexibility, like it does so many things. So enjoy this one, go out there and practice it. You can even just practice it by speaking it out wherever you are. So while you're driving in the car, just going whoop, 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 things like that, right? Yeah, so there you go. Incorporate this little bite-sized exercise into your day, and Songbird, you're going to really start to see your voice grow in a way that you have never even thought possible, okay? So enjoy that one. Now, if you are like super duper excited and you'd really love to get your hands on a resource that shows you how to warm up your voice, you know, fully and in a most correct and healthy way, then please go to my website, just the link below, and you're going to get a free resource, which is my ultimate vocal warm-up guide. So go get that, Songbird. Don't miss out on that. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 13 of 21 days to your new voice. See ya.